Drme is a department in southeastern France, located in the Auvergne-Rhône Alps region. It is named after the Drme River. It had a population of 508,006 as of 2016. Drme's prefecture is Valence. Saint-Vallier in Drme was the birthplace of one of France's most famous courtesans, the noble-born Diane de Poitiers, long-term mistress of King Henri II. The French National Constituent Assembly set up Drme as one of the original 83 departments of France on March 4, 1790. During the French Revolution, the territory formed part of the former French province of Dauphiné. The original Drme department contained the exclave of Orange, which was also part of the former province of Dauphiné. In 1792, following the annexation of Comtat-Venaissin, Drme acquired the newly created district of Carpentras while Orange was ceded to Bouches-du-Rhône. In 1793, the district of Carpentras was ceded to the newly formed department of Vaucluse, giving the Drme its modern-day borders. Drme lies within the region of Auvergne-Rhône Alps and is surrounded by the departments of Ardèche, Isère, Hautes-Alpes, Alpes de Haute-Provence and Vaucluse. The boundaries of the department have changed several times with the incorporation of the Comtat Venaissin in 1792 and the creation of the Vaucluse department in 1793. Drme surrounds an exclave of the Vaucluse department, the canton of Valriaz. The Drme department is in a zone of transition between the oceanic climate of Lyon, the continental climate to the north and the Mediterranean climate of Provence to the south. In the Rhône Valley, the meeting of the mild humid southern Mediterranean air masses with the colder northern air mass sometimes causes particularly violent thunderstorms and snowstorms in the northern hills near Toire-l'Hermitage. The climate is a mixture of oceanic and semi-continental climates. Rainfall occurs throughout the year with the most falling in spring and autumn. The summers are moderated by storms and the mistral does not blow hard. Saint-Donat-sur-l'Herbassy has a moderate temperature of 3 degrees Celsius in January and 21 degrees Celsius in July due to the Lyonnais climate, where more precipitation falls in summer than winter. The influence of the mountains is evident in the east in the Vercors Plateau. The mountain climate is wet due to the oceanic influences from the north. The average annual temperature at Les-le-Croix at altitude 1,061 meters is 7.3 degrees Celsius and the annual rainfall is 1,051 millimeters. The Diois and the Baronnies are dry regions due to the Mediterranean climate. The Mistral is less influential here and this region has minimal rainfall. The lowest temperatures in January at Nyons is 0.3 degrees Celsius but 1.4 degrees Celsius at Pierre-Latte. The Valence Plain is a transition zone between the Mediterranean influence and the northern cold climate. Summers are warmer than in the northern regions, and the increase in sunlight and heat is evident upon the appearance of Mediterranean vegetation in the region. The temperatures are moderate between Lyon and Montélimar. Valence's average temperature in January is 3.8 degrees Celsius and 22 degrees Celsius in July. The Mistral here blows harder. From Montélimar, the climate can be considered to be that of a Mediterranean climate. Near the highway, the change of vegetation is particularly visible near the stream at Donzier, particularly due to the change of the soil profile. The most southern part of the department clearly exhibits a Meso-Mediterranean climate with the reinforcement of the Mistral in a hotter summer due to the rarity of storms. Most rainfall occurs in autumn and the winters are milder than the rest of the Drme. Pierre-Latte has an average temperature of 5 degrees Celsius in January and 23 degrees Celsius in July. Most of the economic activity of the Drme department is located in the west of the department, along the Rhône Valley. This area, which contains most of the population of the department, also has accessible transportation, such as the A7 autoroute and the rail routes LGV Rhône Alps and LGV Méditerranée. Economic activity in Valence. Drme was boosted by the creation of the Valence TGV line in 2001. The president of the General Council is Patrick Laban. The inhabitants of the department are called Dromois. Sport activities in Drme include the Drme River is also a great place to practice canoeing and kayaking. In the spring the water flow even allows you to practice rafting. The Sau Forest is known for its climbing paths. Valence Cathedral lavender fields near Die Grignan town and Castle Ferdinand Cheval's Palace. Vercors Plateau nougat from Montélimar.